As industrial technology keeps on the thriving track, there are more and more potential health hazards when it comes to gas leaks that may result in poisoning, large fires, and even explosions, thus posing considerable threats to people's own safety as well as their property. Given that, individuals are becoming better aware of enhancing their safety by purchasing some inexpensive gas leak detectors to check their gas connections around their home or job site. And today we've brought you such a life-saving device that deserves to be an essential addition to your safety upgrading system. This is a fixed gas detector that can alert you to combustible and toxic gas leaks, and we'll show you in this video how it works. Before we put it to the test, let's first take a look at what we've got in the box. Right inside here we have a user menu and a QC card. And we also have a remote control here. And then you meet our formidable guy. Now this is the flammable gas leak detector from ATO, and this model is a wall-mounted type. We also have other mounting types available for piping installation and venting installation. This device consists of a wire inlet for power and signal connection, a digital LCD display, LED flashing light and siren combined alarm, a sampling inlet port, an air chamber, and the internal PCB shielded by the rigid aluminum housing. So following that, we're going to demonstrate to you the internal circuit and terminal arrangement. Let's first remove the metal cover. Then remove the LED screen on the top. Then let's take a closer look at the PCB. To make it more easier for you to understand, a circuit diagram has been provided alongside, so this will be better. As shown in the diagram, this detector is driven by 24-volt DC power supply, and it comes with three kinds of signal output, including 4 to 20 mA, RS485, and low relay output. Other electrical components include motherboard port, sensor port, and alarm output. So after figuring out connection details, it's time for us to get this thing hooked up. Alright, we've got a 24-volt DC power supply here. As the label suggests here, the yellow wire goes from the positive and is to be connected to the power input terminal on the PCB. As opposed to that, the white lead wire that extends from the negative pole is used as the ground wire. And this is what it's like when the connection is complete. Alright, let's put back in place the LCD screen and secure the manual shell. Now that the instrument is conducted, let's do some testing. We're gonna bring in some butane to the gas sampling port, and we're going to see, once we start getting closer to it, whether it'll detect the gas. Yep, it does start picking up something as we get closer to it. It's steadily climbing now, and at some point it instantly jumps to an extra high level and sets off the visual and audible alarm. To be honest, the siren sound warning is quite loud. So the measurement range for this model is topped at 100, and as the gas dissipates, it starts going down, although it still detects the flammable gas right there. And as it goes down below the alarm limit, the alarm turns off. As an alternative, you could also use the remote control to shut off the alarm by pressing reset. So that shows you exactly how well this thing works. It picks up harmful gas real quick, and that gives you some peace of mind. Through this testing video, this instrument proved itself to be a fairly worthy investment for you to make that can save your life. This is a diffusion-based gas detection device featuring gas-sensitive electrodes that provide a quick response whenever it detects the gas. Furthermore, the built-in sensor works based on catalytic combustion and is developed with the latest anti-interference technology that's energy-saving at the same time. The IP65 protection grade means the device is durable and long-lasting, enhanced by a tough metal housing and high-quality craftsmanship. This fixed combustible gas detector is a must-have if you want to make sure that your connections are done properly and there's no leaks. Go for this model if you want to install it near any old gas tanks that you think could leak shortly. We also have a few more gas detection solutions for you to choose from on our website, including fixed and portable types. If you're interested in purchasing one of these, the links have been posted in the description below. And if you've gotten something helpful out of this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comment. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you soon in our next video.